Yeah, hi, this is Uday, and today I'm going to explain about how to implement indirect file method in IICS as well as in Powercenter. In IICS, we call it as file list in IICS, same as like indirect file method in Powercenter. If you want to implement indirect file method or file list in IICS, it should be same structure, table should be in same structure, and data type should be same, and precision should be same. And this is my table one, and this is my table two. Both the structures having same, and these two structures I have imported in file list one of the file. This is my another table, and this is another file list, and I have implemented these two files in this with extension in this file list with extension. Out should become as 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 Ajay Ram Uday Kiran Kumar Keshav, Ajay Ramoday, Kiran Kumar Keshav. Like this, output should be come as like this. These two tables should be merged in one table like that. I'm coming to my files. This is my file list, and in this file list I have four files: japan.dat, uk.dat, us.dat, others.dat. With extension I have imported here, and in this japan.dat I will show the data, whatever the data in that. Yeah, this is my Japan file, and in this there are two records in this, and table column names are these, and records are these. And coming to us.dat, yeah, these are column names, and these are records in this table, and uk.dat, these are my column names, and these are the records in my table. And coming to others, yeah, this is my column names, and these are the records in my table. These four have the same structure. I have these four files I have imported in this list file: Japan, UK, US, and others. Yeah, and coming to IICS, how to implement this in IICS? Uday Varma 6 gmail.com 6. Yeah, in Powercenter, we will take any one of the file like Japan or US or UK. Any one file we will take as source, and we will connect that to target here, and no need to change anything here. And coming to workflow designer, in workflow designer, double click on the session, go to the mapping, and go to the source over there. Go to the source. We will change this as source file type as indirect, and this path source file directory we will change this file directory as this path, and source file name should be list file here. Source file name should be list.txt over there. In Powercenter we can implement like this, but coming to IICS, go to the new mapping, click on create. I will change the name of the mapping. In ASS we call it as file list, not indirect file method. File list location. I'll change it to the demo. Click on select, click on source, and click on this button. Go to the source over here, and connection is flat file info. I have already connected these connections, and in this source type we have already seen the single object over here. Just click on this and click on file list, as like we are clicking In workflow, we are clicking like indirect direct to file method, right? Indirect. Here also same. We are changing single object to file list over here and click on the select object. Yeah, these are the files in that path, and this is my file list.txt. Click on this list.txt over there. Okay, list.txt. In this path, there is a my file list, and click on this list. There are 4 files in this path in this list. List.txt, and formatting options. Click on formatting option. Click on other. Click on single pipe and click on OK. It's not text qualifier should be none. Click on OK. Why I have taken the single pipe means data is here. My data is single pipe data. Yeah, here my delimiter is single pipe over here, so I have selected the single pipe, and you can preview the data from here. You can preview the data from here. Preview data. Yeah, this is the data in this location table, in this one of the table, and it is Japan country. Click on done. Click on fields. When we and it is mandatory to remember that when we are importing file data, we want to change the data types in IICS. Click on options, edit metadata. Location ID is integer number. You can change it to integer over here, and address is and string. Postal code is and here integer. Postal code is integer. City is and string. State and string. Country ID. Country ID is also string, and salary should be double. Yeah, when you are importing the file from source data, you want to change the data types. You want to change the data types always. Click on edit metadata for him. Yeah, integer, and double. You click on this, and I will give the target connections here. We have already given the source connections. File list, we want to select the source type as file list, and object should be list.txt, means when wherever these files are imported, all files are imported, that file should be list.txt with extension you want to give over them. And yeah, that's it from source side. From target side, you want to give the connections. These are the incoming fields coming from the source. Go to the target. I will give the Oracle underscore target. I will load to Oracle. Click on select object. Create a new at runtime. I will create the new table while running. ISS underscore file list underscore indirect. Correct method. Click on OK. Truncate and load. Save. Yeah, mapping is valid here, and run your mapping. Run and run should be desktop here. Click on run. You can check the data. Status is starting. Yeah, it is failed. I will check that status. Yeah, file is open. Here file is open. That's why it is not taking. Whenever your workflow is running, you want to close the files, all files where whatever it is open. So it is failed. Now you can run now. Restart. Click on next. Click on run. Yeah, it is success. You can check the log. From source side, there are 23 records, and from target side also, it has loaded 23 records. We will check this record. And in my US table, there are 4 records. In my UK table, 4 plus 3, 7 here. And in Japan, 2, 9. And in others, yeah, these are the records. Total 23 records. Those 23 records, these are all these 23 records are loaded into one table. We will check that table from target side. This is my target table. Select star from. This is my table name. While running the workflow, it has been created this table. Yeah, you can check here. There are 23 records in this table. Yeah, that's all about file list in IISS and indirect file method in Powercenter. Thank you.